And that's that little bad boy right there.
Flame sensor, you said?
Yeah, sometimes they can get pretty caked up and gunked up and, you know, prevent it from working properly. And so we like to get those cleaned up for our customers on heat checks and stuff like that. So take care of them. Thankfully, this one's easy to get to.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's hot, so be careful with that. Use that to clean that bad boy up.
Mm-hmm. And what was this again? The flame sensor?
Yeah, this is a flame sensor. Okay. So we get it cleaned up. Because even just like a little bit of that buildup can just prevent it from, you know, working the way it's supposed to, and then that much better.
Nice.